parking elevator at Addison Tower. It's Dover traditional. Oh, we got a fan in here. Oh my gosh, it sounds like this thing's probably gonna be low on oil.
Hit one. We'll get off at 4 so we can get to the building that way.
Okay, would it be okay if I take for one ride?
That's
and get off at 4?
I'll get off at 4. You can take it for one more spin.
Okay, because yeah. How about this? What's gonna happen is we'll go up to 5 first, and we'll end at 4.
Okay, I want to switch to your side now.
I want to hear this motor. This thing sounds like it's low and it's low and it's low on oil.
Okay. I'm gonna get off at 4.
Yeah. The elevator was like literally already cavitating when it started moving.
I see.
Because when the elevator reaches the top, that's where it starts making a lot of loud noises.
I see.
Yeah, I'm not going to do a solo light because the fan is on and I won't be able to hear the motor that well. So with that being said, there it goes, and